Video today. We are going to eat a Rice Krispie Velvet treat.
Set it up on your lip.
So I can't eat these now. We got a bunch of peeps in here, so I'm just gonna try to get some.
You want to try to eat?
Oh my god. Because guys, you ate all the peeps last night.
Okay, they were mine too.
No, I wasn't.
I feel like they were mine. You didn't even like them anyway.
I didn't last year. Awesome. You ate all of them. That's why I said to go back in here that you ain't gonna get. Huh? I really just ate the last one. You naughty girlie. I'm trying to get. Okay, so we got our Rice Krispie treat out. And it smells like tape too, guys. So I guess we're gonna have to eat with the tape. Some of this tape on. I'm not. I was just playing, guys. I was just playing. But this is the breakfast Rice Krispie treat. You see, it's kind of like it's like the medium one, and it got the little sign on it. This is the Belfast White Crispy treats. We are going to eat. It kind of looks like the same one, but it's not. Because y'all don't be seeing the pictures on it. Whoa, look at this. Why do you like that?
That's just how it's made.
It's not how we made, got squished. But this is the breakfast biscuit.
That is not no breakfast biscuit. Y'all, that's just a Rice Krispie treat. Okay?
This is rice. But
You and
it's
Mama? I'm your sister. Don't hurt me.
but this is the Rice Krispie breakfast treat.
No, it's not.
And then
Why you snack like that? If you don't snack, you can get up on my room.
done. This is what our room.
Oh, I forgot. This show me. Mine is somebody in there.
Then go in your room.
Because I can't because my older sister is doing her hair. Her name is Molly.
Oh my god, I feel going to closet. Because he's doing to me.
And my dad said don't go back in that closet.
Why?
Because he don't want us doing that.
Hmm?
So he said stay out here.
In real life?
Yes.
Well, guys, we're going to come over here to, yeah. But these are so good, guys. You need to try these for breakfast. Hmm?
And you lost my phone,
No, I didn't. When?
We're just playing, girl. Well, you did lose my red phone that I was playing. Where that purse go?
I got from her purse, but these are good, guys.
You had it last night, girl.
This is what it looks like. Got the crush version. But try breakfast in it. And also, tastes like eggs. We got from her purse, y'all.
Yeah, go for it. Because it might have my phone in it.
But these are so good, guys. Take a bite. How was it?
Sorry.
Because that's just that we often eat. The breakfast Rice Krispies. No. The purple, I smell like eggs. I did make a sheet about books. Well, the title of the books. I think we call Blueberry. Actually made out of peat, but I made a piece of paper, but it's a story, and
Okay.
we can work on it. These are the characters that I think we can do. Poppy chapter books.
Because we need to stop.
And we have Poppy chapter books. We have Poppy. We have our Poppy chapter books. We have Pete's right there. And this is P and F. Now we have this dice that we can roll, I guess. We roll each English number. Like that. I'll show you later, but we have Puppy Pups right here. Hey Pups is like not really saying nothing because his throat hurts. My phone's going there, guys, but we do some worksheets if we can, and we have all these pets in here, guys. So bye.